Hello everyone, it is a happy day. Today's menu is gajijeon and aehobakjeon. It is eggplant pancake and zucchini pancake. Let's start. I prepared these vegetables, washed and cleaned. I need just half eggplant and half zucchini. We can cut like this, not so thinly, but just less 1 millimeter. I think around half a centimeter is proper. Next, eggplant. Eggplant diagonally is better, so okay, like this. This is similar, around half centimeter is good. And next, green chili pepper. Yeah, actually it's for decoration. I put on top. It's very spicy, so you don't like spicy meal, just skip it. Just each piece, so it's enough. This time, let's make pancake paste. First, this is pancake mix. It is composed of flour, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and starch. Okay, yeah. So the amount is just it's a measured glass, but a little inconvenient to put this kind of flour. So just one. You can use like this stick. Evenly, yeah. Two, and just the same amount. This is water. One. Same. Okay. And you can stir it like this one. Not so much watery, so I want to add 2 eggs. Mix well. Stir it. You don't have to add some salt because we used pancake mix. The color is beautiful. You see? I moved this to another place. Okay. Turn on the heat and oil in the frying pan. I think this is proper. I like this color. Which is first? Let me see. Okay, zucchini is first. First, all the zucchini pieces like this. You put really beautifully. This fry pan is so big, so we can put all the zucchini pieces. No? Yeah. Just the chili pepper, green chili pepper. It is not only for decoration but also spice taste. But you don't like a spice taste, just you don't have to put on top. It's like a flower. You should turn down the heat not to burn the vegetable and turn it over one by one. Okay, turn off the heat and I gonna move on oil paper. Finish. Okay, this time just eggplant. Eggplant. Turn on the heat again and some more oil. Next, I want to drain it. You should always turn down the heat. Chili pepper on top, one by one. It's very easy, simple recipe, but the taste is very delicious. This kind of meal side dish I like best. So I'm so happy today because of this menu. Let's turn it over. Actually, when we make this, we don't have any spatula. Just use chopstick, or if we don't have any chopsticks, you can just use a spoon. With a spoon, you can turn it over very easily. Okay, always down the heat. Okay, almost done. It looks wonderful, gorgeous. Finish. Let's move. Yeah, little paste and but we can use it later. I have some more vegetable. Okay, so just the soy sauce is enough. Okay, wonderful soy sauce. 1 spoon. This is just 매실청. 매실청 is plum syrup. 1 teaspoon. But I think you foreign guys don't have this kind of syrup in your house. Well, you don't have it, just without it, it's okay, no problem. And if you have roasting sesame seed, you can sprinkle. Okay, I found the sesame seeds in my refrigerator, so I'm gonna sprinkle a pinch sesame seed. It looks more delicious. Which one do I have first? I like eggplant pancake very much, so it first. Gorgeous, very delicious. I want this one too. Zucchini pancake. Also delicious. Today, how about cooking this kind of a meal? Very good. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.